Hello, welcome back to today's video. So excited to have you here. I was recently asked to show how I create my sleek bun or sleek ponytail look. So I wanted to hop on here and share a quick tutorial with you and some of the products that I use for my sleek low bun or low pony. Although that could be something, a sleek low bunny. Anyways. Hi, for those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. My name is Ellie Brown. Let's just jump into today's video, to the tutorial and how I create the sleek low bun or a low ponytail look, shall we? Okay, my hair is several days old. I have not washed it. I washed it Saturday. Today is Wednesday. So it's been what? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days. I applied some dry shampoo yesterday. And one thing that I like to do is if I'm going to leave it straight down is I like to apply a hair oil like I did last night. And then I will apply a little bit of hair oil as well as I'm doing my hair, just because I feel like the hair oil will specifically kind of help create and keep it nice and sleek. So that's just something I like to do. I picked up the Day Prickly Pear hair oil to try out. I also picked up the Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 styling cream. This smooths while styling, blow dry prep, or defines curls. Another good product if you don't want to try the Day. The Got To Be, they have some really good products. Like if you're wanting to like lock and load it and stay, this is it. Let's just jump into how I create the sleek bun. So I'm parting my hair straight down in the middle here. And you can also create, if you want to do this like a deep part and you want to create it like this, something like that, you can. Or again, down the middle, and I'm gonna part straight down the middle because that's what I generally like. And I will link all of the products down below in the description box like always. So you're gonna take your comb. I really feel like the trick here is to use a hair oil the night before if you know you want to do this look. You can see here there's not a lot of frizziness. Everything is already nice and tamed, and I'm sure obviously the fact that my hair is not super clean also helps. So this is how I split and I kind of comb everything down. Cream, I'm gonna try this out today. For the first time, I have not used this. Let's see how this works. But I'm gonna apply a little bit of this styling cream. This smells really, really good. So I'm gonna apply, work on the ends, bring it to the top like that. So I've got my elastic band, and I like to use something more along lines my hair color. So I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm just going to bring all my hair and tie it. So now again, you can do this either one of two ways. You can tie it like this, or you can do, I'll show you how I do my little bun. Before you tie it, you want to make sure that everything is also nice and sleek. So I'm just going to, I take my elastic band, and I'll link the ones that I get from Target that I really, really love. 1, 2. Now again, you can leave it like this, just as a sleek ponytail, or I like to take it and do this. If you have longer hair, what you can do is you can take this and you can wrap it around both ends, and then bring the ends all the way down and pin it here so the elastic is covered. But my hair is not long enough to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring my hair a little bit more so I have that, and then I'm going to pull the top a little bit tighter because I like things nice and tight. So you can create this and do this again, or you can pull it through and leave it nice and sleek, but this is just what I do. At the very end, if I want something to hold a little bit, or sometimes my bangs come out here on this side, you can take your hairspray, you can spray a little bit, and then I like taking a bristle brush like this, and I like to kind of brush it and kind of keep it down. Also, you can do this on the top, spray a little bit, and you can take this brush. It kind of mimics a toothbrush, and you can kind of press down on the teeny tiny baby baby hairs. Okay, I found some accessories to show you how you can play up your bun if you wanted. You can take some pretty clips, pearl clips, and you can kind of clip it on your hair here or on the side, kind of back here if you want, like this, just to give you an idea. That's one way to make it a little bit extra. You can take a big pony like this, something nice and fluffy, and this is really fun to kind of tie around after you've secured everything. You can do this as well. That's really fun and just kind of, you know, makes it a little bit more chic. The other thing what you can do is take a bandana or an actual hair tie. There are a few shops that I'll list down below in the description that have some fun hair pieces like this. You can take a bandana. This is square like this. You're going to fold it in half. Mine is very wrinkly. And you're gonna take, ooh, my nose is running. Where is it running to? Okay, so take your bandana and you're going to take the end of the pointy side of the triangle. You're gonna roll it all the way down so it's like this. And then what you can do also is you can tie it around and do something like this, or wrap it all the way around and tie it to where it's, you know, really small like that. You can do that just as an idea. Again, these are just, you know, quick ideas and little ways that you can make your low bun a little extra if you want. Or same concept with you know, a tie like this. You can wrap it around a few times, you know, tie it and do all that. So those are just some other ways that you can spruce up your pony or your low bun. But really, that is a simple way in how I do my sleek bun / sleek ponytail. I hope you enjoyed this quick and mini tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I will link everything down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here again soon. Bye.